Hey family and frenzies, welcome back to our channel. Today it is time for another Dollar Tree dinner. Let me show you guys what we got. We ended up spending exactly $15. Okay, so we arrived at Dollar Tree without any specific plans. We kind of just went in on the fly just to see what we could find for dinner today. So I found these bags of salmon fish. I also found a bag of cut green beans. And I found 2 packages of roasted chicken rice. We also purchased this sweet teriyaki sauce for the fish. However, this teriyaki sauce is absolutely disgusting. So instead, we're going to use the sweet bourbon glaze. We actually already had this glaze at home. We purchased this from Pepper Palace. We love using this in our barbecue sauce. It's good on chicken, beef, and also fish. So first, I grabbed 1 potato from my pantry, and what we're going to do is transform our string beans into southern style string beans. So first things first, we're going to chop them up, and then we're going to put these to the side to be added to our pot of green beans. After you have added your potatoes to the green beans, it is now time to season. These are the seasonings we will be using today. We'll use the onion powder, garlic powder, adobo, and chicken bouillon seasoning. After adding the seasonings, I like to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to help bring out those flavors. I'm adding a tablespoon of butter as well, and we're going to let this boil until the string beans and potatoes are tender. Okay, and now it's time to season your fish. I have already rinsed all of the pieces of fish off. As you can see, one bag looks better than the other. This fish on top came from the first bag. As you can see, it's a little on the thinner side and it's extremely flaky. You have to be extremely careful so that it don't break off, but the fish here on the bottom is perfect. It's actually a nice size. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's actually perfect. So yeah, so now it's time to season these up, and we're going to place them in a frying pan and saute these with some garlic butter. These are the only 2 seasonings I'll be using today. You don't need to over season your salmon because the salmon pieces are on the smaller side, so you don't want them to be too salty. So you're actually going to just season 1 side, and that will be absolutely enough. Next, we're going to melt down our garlic and herb butter. Okay guys, so here's a little secret. When you don't have any smoked meat to put into your southern green beans, all you need is that liquid smoke. Add a few shakes of the liquid smoke to your green beans and you're good to go. It's now time to prepare the rice. The rice is super simple. All you're going to do is pop this in the microwave for 90 seconds. So this rice is actually extremely bland. So I'm adding some spray butter and I'm going to add some chicken bouillon flavor. Just these 2 ingredients is all you need. And your Dollar Tree comfort meal is complete. You have your southern green beans here with white potatoes. You have your sweet bourbon glazed salmon and your roasted chicken rice. Absolutely delicious. Take care, be blessed, and stay safe, guys. Bye.